Hello guys, it is Friday, and what I've decided to do this week is do a weekend vlog instead of a weekly vlog. I've had a very chaotic week, along with a huge spat of laryngitis, if you guys cannot tell. I just can't seem to whip being sick. And honestly, I am just so tired of fighting things. But I don't think that I'm the only one who is fighting this kind of thing. We all seem to be getting colds and sniffles, and with the rapid weather change, it's no wonder we all get so sick. Today it's almost 60 degrees here, and I wore a jacket, so everywhere I went I got super hot, and then I went outside and we had the windows down, but I'm just not feeling completely up to par. I went to lunch with Lucas, and I didn't even film, and I apologize for it, but I just don't feel good, guys. We went to Buffalo Wild Wings. I have only been there one time, and I don't really like to eat wings. I mean, I like them, but I just don't eat a lot of them. But they had a lunch special today where I got a cheeseburger and Cajun fries, and it was really, really tasty. But I have about 3/4 of my meal in the fridge because I couldn't even eat it all. But it was very delicious what I did eat. I went with Lucas while he went and got a haircut because Lucas moved out of the house this week. I did post a little picture on my Instagram, so if you like to keep up with what I have going on daily, you can go over to my Instagram and follow me there. I don't really post too much to my Facebook. I do video reminders, and I do some videos and things that are extra over there on Facebook. I am planning on doing a giveaway soon. I'm not sure, probably for the month of March. Excuse me, guys. So as soon as I do that, I'm going to announce the winner on my Facebook page. So if you're interested in being part of a giveaway that I'm going to be doing, you need to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and also like my Facebook page, and follow me over there. And the links for that is down below, as well as everything else. So, Lucas moved out on Tuesday. Happy Tuesday! No, I'm not purging or cleaning out my closets. Lucas is moving out today. Pretty exciting big step for him, and he is ready to move out. So I'm losing my oldest. And he got everything out. And so a lot of you all have been asking me, what am I going to do with the extra room? And I have decided that I'm going to have my own office. I have always planned to make that room an office for myself, so that I no longer have to go in town where my other office is, because our family has a business here locally. And so instead of having to go to town at all for myself personally for what I do, I can do it all here. So we're going to be painting that room more than likely this weekend. And I don't know if, as far as I know, I'm probably going to buy a new desk, but I want to get it painted and get it all clean in there. And then, and with being sick, it's a slow process if you haven't noticed. And then I'm going to, once I get it all clean, then I'm going to kind of figure out the layout of how I want the furniture to be. And I'll probably be taking you guys to IKEA with me, because you guys know how much I love going to IKEA. So I'll be doing that. So yay. So you were kind of caught up on my week, really. Wednesday, I did go out to eat with Dylan. We went to O'Charlie's. It's free pie day. He loves going on free pie day. I get the soup and the salad, and of course we get free pie. And I always bring my pie home so that I can have it with a cup of coffee. It is so good, and we have so much fun going. It's kind of a Wednesday tradition now for us to go on Wednesdays. So I am going to let you all go. If anything exciting happens, I will do my best to get it on film, and I apologize in advance for my voice, but there's nothing I can do about it. It's just the way it is. Good afternoon. It is Saturday today. My voice is sounding pretty good, and I am cooking. I have some peppers, onions, mushrooms, garlic, olive oil cooking up in this pan because I'm going to be making some spaghetti sauce, and I have, I don't know if you guys can see, meatballs in the oven. I'm steaming up my camera. I've got chicken breast boiling here. I'm going to make a great big thing of chicken salad because Dylan is sick on the couch and he is requesting my chicken salad. So what does Mom do? Mom delivers. So that is what's going on right now, and I'll check in a little bit. My meatballs just came out of the oven. I'm getting hoarse again, as you can see. And I'm adding them to my sauce. And what I like to do is make this sauce a day ahead and put my meatballs in a day ahead. And then the day that we actually eat this, something about all those flavors infuse into the meatballs, and when you put it on pasta, it is the best tasting thing in the world. Okay, my chicken salad is all done, and now I'm going to get the bread out and make Dylan his chicken salad. I know he's anxious to eat it. It takes a while to make sometimes, but it is well worth it, and it is delicious. I'll leave the link down below for the recipe video that I did. This is my red grape chicken salad. And let me know if you all check it out. It is super delicious. We're at Starbucks getting a green tea. I am back home and I am drinking my Starbucks green tea. They did not have the one that I wanted, so I didn't get a box of green tea today. I really wanted it, but they didn't have it. This is the green tea, the Majestic Mint. It tastes really good, but it's not quite the one that I wanted. I think I wanted the green tea with jasmine or jasmine green tea. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to figure out what it was that I had the other day. Hello, friends. I have a cough drop in my mouth, so if it sounds like I'm talking weird, I lost my voice again this evening, and, well, what can I say? Okay, so this is Lucas's old room, and we still have some furniture in here along with the piano, and just some miscellaneous things that I'm going to have to get rid of. And he's coming to get some of this other stuff. So I wanted to quickly show you that we started painting, and it is dark out, so it's going to kind of be hard to see. But this is October Sky is what I went with. It's sort of a bluish gray. I think I'm really going to like it once it's all done. It's really, really pretty. And it also matches the curtains that are already hung up in here. These brackets here actually goes to this shelf. So there's a giant shelf that goes all the way across. John and Luke both shared this room. It's small. And of course, you know, with teenagers, they come with a lot of loot. So we have two of these unfinished shelves on both sides, and then each had a bed underneath, and that way they could store all their stuff and they wouldn't have to fight over where to put their stuff. But now that they're gone, I'm going to use it for work storage and organization. And so we got a small window over here, as you can tell. And then this built in over here where I'm going to put my computer temporarily. I'm not sure. I kind of work with a PC and I work with a Mac when doing some of my editing work, so I may actually put the PC here and a Mac on a desk that will go here. I also need to get a new office chair badly. My office chair is only about 15 years old and it is falling apart. And all of these clothes are going to be donated. And John, if you're watching this, I promise I won't throw it out, but your motorcycle helmet is up in there, and I'll hold on to that till you return. Because I know that you like it. But I'm not encouraging you to buy a motorcycle. So, note from Mom in this video. So, I really like this new paint color. I think it is really, really pretty. I think it'll look really nice. My printer goes here. Then I have 3 shelves that go here that I can use for stuff. And believe me, I've got enough office stuff to fill up this space. Right here, I've already bought a brand new grease board that's going to go here. And I also purchased the dry erase markers. I bought the exact same board that actually happily a housewife has in her office. I liked it so much that I went and I purchased it right away because I was in love with it as soon as I saw it. It was kind of pricey. It was like $80, but I got 40% off, so I didn't think it was too bad, but I'm definitely going to get my use out of it, and I know it's going to look really pretty over a new, desk area here. So that is what we got going on so far today. I think we're pretty much done in painting today. It's only about 10 o'clock at night. Hello, it is Sunday. I'm sorry I haven't filmed all morning. I got dressed. I went to church. I didn't film because I was with somebody that I'm not usually with, and they didn't want to be on film, obviously. Well, I didn't ask, but I wasn't going to film them. We went out for some lunch, and now I'm back home, and I'm about to change my clothes and see what kind of trouble I can get into today. So that is my Sunday today already. So I'll be checking in with a little bit. In IKEA, trying to find some office chairs. So it's this or these. Can you find one? I'm trying to find a black chair. And I found a high chair and I found a desk. So I can't go home with the desk because it won't fit in the car. So we'll see what happens. Now we have 2 milks already. We're in Target. The Steinmart was completely closed. We keep forgetting that it's Sunday. Now we're in Target, Super Target. But I did find what I went for last night, and that was this. I can't do. I found this tea. This is the one that I like. It's a green tea, and it's really, really good. And we're just shopping around, looking. They're still on. So I'm back home from Target. I just bought a few things that we saw. We were supposed to actually get ice and sleet tonight, they are saying, so I'm not sure if it's going to be bad tomorrow or not, but tomorrow is Monday. Hopefully I get all of this content uploaded for you guys. I feel like this weekend hasn't exactly been super exciting, but we went to IKEA. They were completely sold out of what I went there to get. I went to get there and get an office chair, a desk, a blind, and a high chair for the house, and didn't have any of it. But they said they're supposed to get a shipment tomorrow, so maybe I'll be able to get it tomorrow. I don't know. If it's sleeting and icy, we won't be driving all the way to Bartlett to go get that. So that is that. And then we decided, well, let's go over here to Steinmart and Marshall's, and they both were closed. They just closed as soon as we got there. And so then the only thing open over in that area was the Super Target. So we went to Super Target and walked around, and I did find that tea that I went for yesterday. I went to Starbucks yesterday. I think I said it in the vlog. To get the tea, and all they had was the green tea mint, and I didn't want the green tea mint. I wanted the ginger jasmine green tea because that's one of my favorites, but they didn't have any. They were completely sold out. So that is that. And so I was glad that I got that this evening at Super Target because I'll enjoy that. I've been fighting the laryngitis kind of thing. I'm better today, though, a whole lot better than I was. And the green tea just tastes so good to me during like the evening, or when you kind of need something warm to drink but you don't want coffee. So I've been kind of leaning towards green tea because I feel like it's a healthier option at this point. So I hope y'all enjoyed this weekend vlog. I know it's probably not that exciting for y'all, but I hope y'all enjoy, and I hope y'all have a fantastic week, and I'll be talking to y'all again soon. Bye guys.